Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Elden Ring crashing on PC. First, you need to make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements to run the game. Elden Ring requires at least an AMD Ryzen 3 3300X or Intel Core i8-400 CPU, an AMD Radeon RX 5700 or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Ti GPU, and 12 grams B of RAM. If your PC meets these requirements or you're still facing issues, the next step is to make sure all your drivers are updated. This includes your graphics card drivers, which you can get from NVIDIA or AMD depending on your GPU, DirectX, and your Windows operating system. Next, you should verify the game files of Elden Ring. If you're using Steam, you can do this by right-clicking on Elden Ring in your library, going to Properties, then Local Files, and selecting Verify Integrity of Game Files. If the game still crashes, you can try disabling the anti-cheat. Navigate to your Elden Ring installation folder. For Steam users, this is typically found in Steam Apps and Elden Ring. For GOG users, it will be in GOG Games Elden Ring. Once you've located the installation folder, find the file named Jack's Manifest, and either rename it or move it to a different location. Another potential fix is to adjust your in-game display settings. Try disabling full screen mode and running the game in a window. You can also try lowering your resolution. Overlays from programs such as NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Steam, and Discord can also cause Elden Ring to crash. Make sure to disable all overlays before starting the game. Also, before launching Elden Ring, close all unnecessary programs and background processes by using the Task Manager. If none of these solutions work, you can try uninstalling Elden Ring and reinstalling it. If you are still unable to fix the crashing issue after trying all these steps, you can contact Bandai Namco support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.